Guys, look at that. Guys, we are back on Bidston Hill. I've been sent the location of an entry point to get into the tunnels underneath that lead to the air raid shelters. Let's go. So we are currently at the GPS coordinates that have been sent. Take a look at this. I mean, like, first of all, that's clearly a cover that's got something underneath it, right? But take a look at what I'm actually stood on now. Like, what is that? What is it? Looks like it's concreted up. Maybe this used to be some sort of steps and stairwell down and just been filled with concrete. Now, the next part I'm about to show you, in no way, shape or form should anybody try anything in any way, okay? It's not a case of me being a professional, but I'm staying well clear of this for many reasons. And I will say the Wirral Council, right? They need to do something about this, what I'm about to show you now. It's just a hole in the ground. So you remember this thing, right? Filled with concrete. Oh, look at this nice little rock here. Just chilling, just chilling. What's it covering up? Oh, wow. Imagine a young child walking by. Just run up from mum and dad. Bang, leg stuck in that. Maybe there's a child small enough that can fit through that gap. Or maybe that rock gets moved and then a child can fall straight down. We don't know how far in it goes. But there's definitely a metal ladder on the right there. Like, guys, take a look. You can see, if you go close enough. Yeah. See the metal ladder and stuff that goes down, but you can't see the bottom. Guys, look at that. Wow. So for obvious reasons, the fact that I'm just out in a coat and a pair of trackies and some Ugg boots, I'm not going to even attempt to do anything there. I don't know what's down there. I don't know how far the drop is. I don't know how safe the ladder is. And I certainly don't know whether I could even lift that rock. So, just for safety reasons, that's not happening. There's got to be another way in. There used to be a way down by the Tesco that you could just walk straight in. So, if that is possibly open, then we'll go to that. And that'll be a future video. But, Wirral Council, get your shit together and get this filled in to save anybody from getting injured or worse. So this has been part one of our adventure trying to access the underground bomb shelters underneath Bidston Hill, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Also, any information, any locations of entrances that are safe, DM me. Thank you. I'll be very careful here. Good luck. Welcome back to part two of the Bidston air raid shelters. Today I'm going to be accessing that hole. Wish me luck. Now, I'm not giving too much away, but I'm parked here and this is where the journey begins. Instead of going up towards the windmill, we're going this way. Not going to lie, it's a bit cold though. Wish I had my coat on. I just know if I left my coat outside the hole, someone may take it, or if I try and go in with my coat on, I might get caught on something. So I'm trying to stay as slim as possible today, guys. And to be fair, it's actually a really nice walk through these parts of the woods. I'm wondering now, after my last video, whether I'm actually going to bump into anybody here trying to do the same thing. It's a possibility. Air raid shelter friends even built a wall to try and keep people out. Up to a small road, and some absolute idiot has actually fly-tipped a load of rubbish there as well. So look at that. How hard is it to just go the tip and drop it instead of leaving it here? What an eyesore. We're coming up to the final stretch now. The last time I come here, I did take a different route, which was probably 3 or 4 times longer, but now I know the exact location of it. It's just, it's a very straightforward walk, which makes it more dangerous that somebody could actually fall down this hole. It's playing on my mind that somebody could genuinely fall down it. So share this out as much as you can, guys, to make everyone aware to be careful when they're out with the family, with the kids, okay? It's a lot more peaceful today than it was yesterday. Just on me right now, you can see some sort of, like, I want to say wildfire. Let's just pray it was wild and, you know, it wasn't kids. But yeah, burnt out stuff on the right. We head up here. So the next bit, this is the only tricky part of the route. Just remember that, yeah? But then there's a little side sort of trail here. And we're going to head down this way. Okay, now this is where I cut through last time, right? But I do believe there is another path that leads towards where we need to go. Oh look, a path. So I cut through all them thorn bushes last time. Got pricked a few times on the way. Little rock thing on the left here, crazy. But we just follow this path. Yes, Wirral Borough Council. I am giving directions to it in hopes that you actually, you know, fix the issue. Okay? And this is where the path leads us to. As I'm pretty sure you can see there, behind that tree is the rock that's covered in the hole. And look, from what I can see, somebody else has already been here trying to lift the rock with a tiny stick. And there's a big log right there. So yeah, I'm about to put all my gym training to use and shift this rock. Watch. Easy that. But let's take a look at the gap I've created. I'm just going to quickly shift this rock over a little bit more and move the stick out the way. Ta-da! Time to go in. Ugh. I think I'm too big for it. There's all bits of metal sticking out either side. I'm caught on left and right. I need someone skinny to come with me. I've got a skinny mate. I can get in. I know I can get in. But if you ever got into somewhere and you can't get back out, I can guarantee that happens to me today. Ha ha! I stopped being a shithouse. But look at all the bits of metal there. Right. It's well and truly closed off. For anyone who's been in here in the past, you know this used to go all the way down. I've got to be very careful here. But look. It's just filled in, well and truly. I'll give a proper view now. The floor is uneven and unsafe, but just look at that. Even look at that. What the hell is that? Yeah, they've just filled it. They've just filled it. And you know full well it used to go all the way down this ladder. Mad. I need to get out. Oh, let's hope I can fit through that. Look at these bits of metal. Wow. Oh my god, made it out alive, guys. I was a bit scared, I'm not going to lie, I'm on my own. I like to do these things with a little bit of backup just to be on the safe side, of course. Obviously, before I leave, I'll be putting this like 300 kilogram stone back over the hole in hopes that eventually the Wirral Borough Council will turn up and fill it. Why fill it to that point and leave like that extra little bit? What's the point? It's done anyway. It's pointless going in there. It's literally all of the journey all the way down. Bear in mind there's like 100 foot, about 3 or 4 multiple ladders with different platforms in between, and it's been filled up to that point and then left. Why? So people can access it. Come on, do your jobs. Remember, this is part 2 of trying to enter the old Bidston air raid shelters, and if you guys have got any more entrances that you think may be open and safe, let me know in DMs and I'll catch you guys in the next one.